Hello, hi, I'm Tembeka from Yizo.com. Sad week in South Africa. We lost our King Goodwill Zwelithini, who suffered from diabetes at the age of 72. We also lost Menzi Ngubane, who was suffered from kidney failure since 2015. We also lost Noxolo Maqashalala, who found dead in her home in Johannesburg. The forensics personnel reported that Maqashalala had been dead for a week, and it's not clear what happened to her. Many will remember Maqashalala for her role as viewer in the 2003 SABC1 new drama series Cha Cha. She also appeared on Generation, Rhythm City, and Intersection. I pass the deepest condolence to their family, friends, colleagues, loved ones, and entire South Africa. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see when I upload it.